Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. My name is Minkal. I'm from the Chechen Republic. This video I make for my English speakers, and I wanted to say about the charity situation in our republic. And some people think that we have no charity funds, etc. Of course, we have a lot of charity funds, and the most of them, for example, fund named of Ahmad Haji Kadirov. There are a lot of little fonts, for example, Khaira, Daymah, Rahma, Bismillah, etc. Maybe, if I'm not mistaken, until 10 or 11 fonts. And about our fund, about our charity fund of Khaira, and we have a lot of projects, for example, to help poor people with attributes, invalid attributes, and the food and the clothes, etc. We are creating build mosques and bridges, do roads, do streets, etc. Do road, yeah. And we help people with we help to people with disabilities, with wheelchairs, for example, and we pay the treatment, and we have, for example, projects with sheer literature, a lot of a lot of literature, etc. And our fund was made 8 years ago, 2008, 13, yeah. And we work with our authorities, local authorities, and they help us, and we together do a lot of deals, and we help a lot of people, etc. And for people who know that the Chechen Republic have no any funds, they are mistake wrong. And in all our villages and the cities we have big or little funds and organizations, etc. Our ancestors leave for us a lot of good traditions to help each other, to aid, support, etc. And please make dua for our charity, and inshallah we will increase our activity, we will get high ways, etc. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullah.